2018 Genesis GV80 HTrac, which means it is an all-wheel drive, 85,000 miles. Folks, this is a one-of-a-kind type looking vehicle. Once again, a 2018 Genesis GV80 HTrac all-wheel drive, 5.0 V8, a 5-liter V8, upgraded wheels, tires, panoramic moonroof, leather, heated, cooled seats, remote start. Once again, folks, it's an HTrac, which means it's an all-wheel drive 5.0 V8 vehicle, 85,000 miles, right here at One Stop Auto Sales, 478-741-8009, 478-741-8009. That's One Stop Auto Sales, 2838 Gray Highway. Once again, panoramic moonroof, leather, remote. Folks, they're just not an option that's not on this vehicle. All of your cruising, auto collision alerts, blind spot, all those are on this vehicle, featured on this vehicle. Heated and cooled seats, pano roof, navigation, remote start, every single option you possibly could put on a vehicle. Folks, this is one-of-a-kind type vehicle. Saves you thousands and thousands, tens of thousands of dollars versus a new one. Once again, 2018 Genesis GV80 5.0 liter V8 all-wheel drive, right here at One Stop Auto Sales, 2838 Gray Highway. Give us a call, 478-741-8009. Give us a call, stop by and see us today, or you can shop us online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, www.1stopauto sale, SALE, no S.com.